Only attack I make. But Jayden chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning from the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers in the morning, I can't express with words my disappointment in the justice system, viewers and subscribers. Tom Tavares has been contacted, viewers and subscribers, because as we heard from Miss Nita Robinson, results, our verdict dates are normally received by at least Wednesday, viewers and subscribers, and today is Friday. Mr. Tavares says at this point in time, despite his long career as a lead defense attorney at Queen's Counsel, him say at this point, viewers and subscribers, he himself is confused and now him don't know when we can expect a verdict date, viewers and subscribers. Last year, he received a notification letter saying that they were at an advanced stage. But viewers and subscribers, that was 2019. We are now in 2020, viewers and subscribers. Approximately almost 14 days in the month. And all now, viewers and subscribers, that 2 weeks. And we not hear nothing at all, viewers and subscribers. Yo, at this point in time, I said this. This had do more than shed a light on the justice system. It should be clear to fans of the artists and even people who just look upon the situation. So there's a clear agenda at play, viewers and subscribers. There's no other way to explain this long delay. What else could there be holding up this appeal verdict? I mean, the defense team has proven that prosecution tampered with everything presented in the first trial. And prosecution have now healed at the fact that yes, things did take place. Them rest them statements, them not say nothing more. There's no more evidence being presented to the 3-judge tribunal. Them that say, well, you know it go. Results have to be, our verdicts have to be typed out so that it can be public knowledge after this appeal is closed. But I can't so long them take for type up that. Because it should be the job of those who are type that from them forward in our work straight up until them leave, that them should be typing the transcripts. So I'm gonna say, why do that take so long, viewers and subscribers? And Tom Tavares, a lead attorney, a Queen's Counsel, I say him himself confused as to the weight. But disappointed in the justice system, viewers and subscribers. And if you agree, talk to me in the comment section. There's no reason for a delay of this time frame. At this point in time, while the artists, the greatest living dancehall artists right now, currently atop the charts, them having behind the railing, viewers and subscribers, unlawfully, me that say, innocent artists, innocent individual, them have alongside other co-accused. That's why we not stop term them as such, accused. No proof never did it. There was no proof there, viewers and subscribers. In the later days, I realized, in the trial, I realized it was all about crown witness and phone evidence. Then the appeal realized, yo, there was little to no mention made of this crown witness. And it was all focused on the cyber evidence, of which the experts testified that no, these pieces of information are cyber evidence, cannot be presented in open court because the metadata has been corrupted. Whether it is because the files have been opened numerous times and not opened from the device, but opened from what they would term as a side door. I don't know when I want to say back door. Why? What they would term as a side door, viewers and subscribers, are a black door. Them access the information, and that every time you access it, it corrupts the data. So they're saying that no, evidence of this nature cannot be presented because the data is corrupted. So then they have no cyber evidence again. There was never any physical evidence anyway. And now the Crown witnesses, I'm say there's no mention about the statement that was made. So at this point in time, I can tell you my own personal opinion. Not the opinion of Mr. Tavares Fincy, Miss Nita Robertson, even Sean Storm Lawyer, Mr. Bert Samuels. Everybody is saying that this appeal was a successful appeal. And these people have not only represented individuals in this process, also won these appeals, but they have seen other lawyers go through the process as well, and other clientele. So they know the procedure. This is not a strange procedure to them. This is not their first appeal. So for them say, yo boy, it's strange, the wait, the delay, the anticipation. And these lawyers are Queen Counsel. Them not just turned lawyer 4 years ago, even 5 for that matter of fact. These are lawyers with over 10-year experiences to their name. So for them confused by the situation, viewers and subscribers, they see why we have to continue to talk about it. The less the whole reason about the topic, the more them feel like them can just put we off. Nowadays the delays are happening without even any statement from the justice system. We not hear nothing, them just not say nothing. And just a wait. Liar them a contact them and them a say, yo, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Contact them again, nothing yet. That, viewers and subscribers, is what I would say. No. Right there and then, me that said no. No, me that said to that. Me not gonna say them take the situation serious. Because they know the entire world I look upon the situation. But just like in the new 50 Cent TV series that got premiered upon ABC, them have somebody innocent behind the railing where if you have fight for them freedom, viewers and subscribers. And even when they put in the good fight and prove to them, say, yo, you know, have the artists them this upon nothing, you know. Speculations. Free the artists now. As a matter of fact, the hashtag is FWB. And if you're a true fan, we don't need to explain to you what that means. They need to release the boss, viewers and subscribers. Very, very disappointed in the justice system, viewers and subscribers. The justice system stats are at their lowest in a years now. People have always talked about the backlog at courts. But now, the disappointment is at a level where people are just saying, I saw them turn. And that is not good. I would say, only swift remedy of the situation, doing true justice, releasing the RTs, is the only remedy. Is the only remedy for the public representation to be fixed for the justice system. And one of the only way this is one of the only way them can do two things: serve justice and also, you know what I mean, paint back a better picture of the justice system in the eyes of the public. Are the only thing this we could redeem the Justice Department right now. Because right now, everybody from all walks of life I say, yo, even people who reside internationally, means that they might be Jamaicans, whether first generation or second or third generation, but them live overseas. They must say, yo, we know say there's always, you know what I mean, as I said, there's always backlog at the court. The procedures don't move as speedily as some people that like it. But when people overseas or people even in the Caribbean diaspora look and walk on with the teacher and his scenario, they must say, no. I have heard about moving at a snail pace, but they have never seen it in actuality. I'ma see it now. They are moving at a snail's pace, viewers and subscribers. The appeal barely a move along. At the longest appeal this we ever see. And after hearing that it is at an advanced stage, it's at the longest wait we have ever seen a letter of notification sent and received, and then have to wait so long for a verdict date. Joking at them something, viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But to not like the reason and of course to not like the point of view I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. And put it on all so you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. You will know the something of viewers and subscribers are up move settings fam. Drop a like on the blog for me like we the share icon is also there. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel and check out the reasoning viewers and subscribers. Yes, the comment section is always open 24/7. It open, never lock yet. Drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. Just be mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, you can come to the reason via the comment section. Out move settings for we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.